You have to start us off.
Tell me when.
Okay, when?
Hi. My name is Angela. And I'm here in Renee's house.
And this is Renee. Hold on.
And that's Renee.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, shut the front door.
Please,
seriously, in the back one. Here, we'll just
and
this Tare.
Tare.
Yourself a Tare.
I don't know what I'm filming, so.
And,
How are you?
Pretty color. And,
Did you have a fun time?
yeah, a little bit.
Can you say the word bag for me?
I'm from Minnesota, and I like to put my groceries in bags. And I like to check my bag at the airport. And
What do you do when you're out of money?
I beg for money from Renee. And hopefully she gives it to me. And this one time at band camp, I shoved a bag up my pussy.
And on that note, here's Renee. Wait, where'd she go?
And she's not in a bag.
There she is. Renee, did you have a good weekend? Kind of did. Oh my god, you guys are so funny. Okay, you have anything else to say to the camera?
Say the word bag.
Bag?
No, it's bag.
It's kind of bag.
No, it's bag.
Bag, 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 bag.
What?
I'm mad, Gab.
Bueno.
No bueno.
No
Oh,
bueno.
No bueno. Turn that thing on.
Did
Okay.
you get yourself a little bit there? Yourself coughing?
I don't know what I should say. I've had an awesome weekend. I'm not ready to go home. I want to stay here at Renee's house with Ange. We'll all stay together. Oh, I don't think that'll go over so well, but okay, I'll come home. But I want to come back and visit. And I love you guys.
We love you.
And that's
too.
it.
Let's get one
Okay.
shot of us all together.
Do you think we're all together, or is this going to be one of me?
Okay, bye.